What is discipline? Discipline is sacrificing now for rewards later. In the world that we live in, everybody wants everything right now. We want instant gratification. Problem with instant gratification is that it really is no such thing. You got to put the time in, you got to put the work in, whether that's in your health and your fitness, or that's in your business. Discipline is required in order to see the gains. It takes time, it takes energy, it takes discipline, it takes consistency, perseverance, all these things, so that we can reap.
You put a plate on the gun, then you
so we can reap the rewards later. Yet, people want it now. And the problem with that is that the world's accustomed to getting things right now. Look, you can go to Amazon, can order a pair of jeans this evening, and I can have them in my office tomorrow. I didn't have to get in my car. I didn't have to go to the store. I didn't have to sort through all these jeans. Poof, I got it. So the world is really more accustomed now than ever for the instant gratification. So the more that you can step out of the realm of what everybody else is doing, the more successful you'll become. Your health, your fitness, your life. But it's entirely up to you. Do you have the discipline or not to succeed? And when people ask me for their help or guidance, I always start to look at this. Is this something that you are practicing? Are you practicing discipline?
This group is just
are you doing the work? Or you just want it without having to put the time and effort in? And if you look at others that are successful, you may not see the work that's done. Most of the time, it's all done behind the scenes. Late nights, early mornings, missing sometimes, events or parties or family functions, unfortunately, because you are dedicated to the mission. And if you're dedicated to the mission, it becomes a lot easier. So ask yourself, are you being disciplined in your actions? That's the first thing I would look at. If you're not where you are, where you want to be right now, in either your career or your health and fitness, are you disciplined in your actions? Are you consistent? Are you doing the work? Or are you just complaining? Your choice.